All right. Hey, everybody. How's it going? Hey, this is going to be a re-review of the Sony RX. No, it's not. We're going to talk about here being lazy, cheaping out, watching too many videos on YouTube telling you how to do something wrong. Okay. I have this Technics SLP-770, and I actually saw a few videos that said, hey, in a pinch, you're just going to put your bad belt that's all crusty and everything and put it in a bowl of water and microwave it for a few seconds, and that belt will be fine. Now, a few of them actually say you're going to change this eventually. Some others don't. Here's my thing. You got a belt that's getting crusty and it's at least half of your age, get rid of it. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to hop onto eBay and try to hunt that belt down, and you're going to get a belt replacement. It might be right from like Romania, Croatia, who knows where. Okay? It might even be right. That's okay. Or it might be wrong. In the meantime, you waited all this time for a belt that is wrong. Well, we're hoping it's right. Well, you can hop on over to Amazon, get yourself an assorted bunch of belts there in a couple of days for about $8. Okay? And you're able to replace your drawer mechanism belt effortlessly. Okay? So you can see there. All right? And basically get yourself done. It's about maybe 15, 20 minutes of work, maybe a half hour to an hour if you're just being careful. You've never done it before. You just want to do it right. So as you can see, the drawer opens and closes just absolutely perfectly. Okay, and you're basically able to play at this point. Ladies and gentlemen, here's a takeaway. Do this right. Get the right belt or get some new belts. Okay, an assortment of belts is great. Okay, you just never know. You're going to have one of those projects where, hey, you pick up something at a thrift store or Goodwill or something, and you say, hey, it could play if I help the drawer a little bit. Well, just replace the belt. And chances are, if you have an assortment of belts, you have a good chance of hopefully having the right belt. You'll notice there's no music playing here. Well, that's because this thing called copyright. We don't do that. So just want to let you know, do the job right, replace the belt. You're going to be a happy person. Okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. If you like what you're seeing here, it's going to be more. If you don't like what you're seeing, hey, it's still going to be more. So we'll ask you to like and subscribe and find what other fun things that I might be running into. I may be talking about the shit Asgard 3 fiasco that I went through, but they made good, and I'm a happy camper again. So kudos to the folks there at Shit Audio. So we may be doing a review on that. We may be doing a review on my HM400. I'm still evaluating it at this point. That's made by Mackie, by the way. So stay tuned, and hey, thanks for watching and supporting me as far as watching and doing stuff. I don't monetize any of my stuff. I don't have a Patreon page. I don't have any of this stuff. I just do this for fun. So we appreciate y'all. God bless, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.